Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this amazing Littlest Pet Shop gift set that was sent to me from Top Toys to You, which is a store that sells lots of awesome toys. The gift set includes a fancy pet salon and 2 cozy pet house blind boxes. The packaging of the cozy pet house is bright and colourful and shaped like a house for a pet. Inside there are 3 surprises. The first surprise is hidden in this purple blind bag. Inside the mystery bag is a super cute Siamese cat. The cat is cream and dark grey and has green eyes. There's also a collection guide which lets you know the name of the pet, how rare it is and what other pets you can find. The name of this cat is Cozy Corner and this one is common to find. There are 2 more surprises. This heart-shaped tab can be pulled to reveal another blind bag. Inside the mystery bag is a pair of cute sunglasses that the LPS can wear. And the last surprise are some fun stickers of pet stuff. Now I'm going to open the second blind box. Inside this one is another Siamese cat with the same accessory and stickers. Since this is a duplicate, I might customise this one in a future video. Now I'm going to open the fancy pet salon pack. The packaging is cute and fun and the inside is designed like a pet salon. In this set there are 7 surprises. Inside the first mystery bag is a pink and purple bunny. It has floppy ears and turquoise eyes. The name of this pet is Bento and this is a common one to find. There's another mystery bag with a pet inside. Inside the purple blind bag is an adorable hamster. It has tan fur with white paws and green eyes. The name of this pet is Buttons and this is also common to find. Hidden behind the door is another blind bag. Inside this one are a pair of salon accessories. And the last surprise are 2 sheets of stickers with pet stuff. The pets are super cute with their bobble heads and large kawaii eyes, and the great thing about the packaging is that it can be reused as a backdrop and playset. Overall, the unboxing experience is really fun because you don't know what you're going to get, and I think these pets make a great addition to any LPS collection. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing. Also, make sure to check out Top Toys to You, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!